Okay, Kurt Wolf with Wright Tool. Just wanted to show you some of the new products that we've come out with recently. Adjustable wrench. So you can back this off, turn it around, roll it in, and you got a pipe wrench as well. You get another adjustable wrench, but for those thin spots that you have here, you can see where it's a thin here, but a full-size adjustable wrench. Really, you know, Wright Tool, American-made tools, made in Barberton, Ohio. Been around for almost 100 years now. Demonstrably better than many of the tools that are out there right now.
Very high quality, I know that.
Very high quality. Lifetime guarantees. But, you know, lifetime guarantee is important. But if you're out and working on a job and you break your tool, everybody's got a lifetime guarantee these days. You can count on Wright to work through, last you through the job. Another company that I represent, Palmgrin. Here I have a vice grip. Here I have the Palmgrin version of a vice grip. Vice grip used to be made in the US. When they were made in the US, they had bigger rivets, they had better springs, they had more metal, and Palmgrin here has come out with their version, which is bigger rivets, bigger spring, more metal. I don't know if you've probably used a vice grip where, oh, there you go, comes apart on you every time you open it up and you got to put it back together. That's because of the cheaper spring. On the H Hanson Palmgrin version, you don't have that issue.
Nice.
And they make a full variety of different. So they also are #1 in the world as far as metal stamps go, and tags, and all different styles of clamps.
Those numbers are
And we have numbers,
Ah,
numbers and letter stamps, yep,
okay.
that you can get.
Thank you.
Sure.
Now this excites me.
Okay.
I love Knipex.
Now,
I said that for the camera.
yeah. Now, Knipex, you know, what we show here is what we could do is we could grip this pipe, and I can actually stand on these without having to grip that. They hold fantastic. They're German designed, German engineered, German manufactured, great products. You look at our new pliers wrench. This here is adjustable wrench. You can slide it open. Now, the old joke with adjustable wrenches is it SAE or metric? Well, this actually, you can get it into position. On one side is marked on SAE, one side is marked metric. But the benefit of this is, once you get it into place, you still have a little bit of a grip to hold on. Now, as you're gripping, let me tighten that up just one click. So as you grip, you can turn, and normally with an adjustable wrench, you'd have to take that off and put it back on. But with the pliers wrench, you can take it and just loosen it up because of that little bit of a play. So you can more or less ratchet it without having a ratcheting wrench. Another new product is this one here with a rubber grip. So if you're working with copper, stainless, anything that you're worried about destroying, and it's replaceable as well. So there's a screw here, you can replace those grips if you want. Their bolt cutters are fantastic. They make a wide range from smaller than this up to much bigger than this. But great for cutting the small ones for fencing, for MIG wire, stuff like that, up to locks and chain and anything else that you want to cut.
Okay, this won't be a lifetime warranty, of course, on the
Lifetime
bolt
warranty, yes.
Okay.
Back to you, okay. And we make these and anywhere from little 4-inch versions up to the larger sizes. Everyone's got a pair of needle nose pliers. The German engineering and manufacturing and the kind of steel that they use, you can actually grab onto something with these and they don't twist as most will. Another new product that they just came out with, everyone's got a pair of slip joint pliers. This is a new slip joint plier. It's a 5-position slip joint plier. The grip on it, if you take a look here, is similar to the grip on our other pliers. But the real benefit of this is that we also have a grip here on the ends. So again, how many times have you tried to grab something from the top and twist it? Now you have a grip on the end, not just slipping around on that bolt. Our linemen's pliers. Most people have a pair of linemen's pliers. They got to use 2 hands to open and close them. The engineering on these and the quality is fantastic. This one here is high voltage, and we have tethered tools available as well. Yes. So we have a full line of 1,000-volt screwdrivers. Everybody's got one of these. You all have it in your tool belt. But here you got a support back here as well. So you can support that blade even when you need to run it out.
Don't break the hot pieces off,
So you don't break it off. That's right, exactly. We get pipe cutters. And they'll cut through like butter. Replaceable jaws. And regular pipe cutters, full complement of the regular pipe cutters. And next,
this isn't all Knipex has.
oh no. This isn't. They make 90 different kinds of tweezers for manufacturing. Ancra Cargo, the largest cargo control company in the world. Everything from bungies and straps to sets, chain, lifting straps, everything, like I say, the largest cargo control company in the world. Cumalongs, 3/4 ton, 1 ton, 2 ton, depending on what you're looking for. We also handle Kenwood two-way radios. We can match up the two-way radios to your radio frequencies. Great sound quality, as Kenwood is known for, and a wide variety of radios. Mag drills. Mag-Bor is new in the United States, manufactured in Sheffield, England, where a lot of the cutting tools are made. The best cutting tools are made. And we have everything from low profile to this is the smallest of the standard mag drills, and we go up to being able to run 4-inch and 4-inch depth. Eagle Pro, hydraulic tools. We have all different kinds of lifting tools. If you're familiar with the local bridge we have here outside of Pittsburgh, the Neville Island Bridge, We just sold a bunch of 300 and 400 ton lifts to lift up the bridge while they're working on it. Pretty cool stuff. They also have bolting solutions. So if you're looking at doing your hydraulic bolting, we have that as well. And then Airmaster fan. This fan here is a battery operated fan, actually. We have an attachment for the battery operated fan, a little misting attachment even. So you can do a misting fan out in your patio. We have everything from your standard fan up to the big 60-inch floor fans, ceiling fans, ventilation, and all that to get to. So that's pretty much it.
Say,
Thank you. Appreciate your time today. Have any questions, talk to Bud and Val. Thanks.
thank you.
Thank you.